Your Advantage 45 includes the antenna, a balun matching transformer, U-bolt mounting hardware, 2 wing nuts, and an instruction manual. You'll need a 13mm wrench. Step 1. Open the square-shaped arms as shown, and then rotate the elements along each arm until they snap into place. Next, unfold the 2 short elements located where the square-shaped arms connect to the center boom of the antenna. Step 2. Unfold the longer VHF elements until they snap into place. Note, the elements on this antenna are tightly riveted. To avoid bending the elements while unfolding, grip the elements near the rivets. Step 3. Unfold both of the elements with yellow stickers attached. Next, attach the balun matching transformer to the threaded terminals. Then, fit the looped ends of each phasing rod to the threaded terminals and then secure with the included wing nuts as shown. Step 4. Attach the U-bolt mounting hardware to the antenna boom as shown. Step 5. Fit your antenna mast through the U-bolt, then, with a wrench, securely tighten the nuts. This concludes the assembly of the Channel Master Advantage 45. For additional product and installation videos from Channel Master, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel or visit us online at channelmaster.com.